Hello everyone, my name is Soham Sunil Gowde. Today we are going to talk about sports. The very first thing that comes in our mind is cricket, football, etc. etc. But today we are going to talk about Olympics, and top of that we are going to talk about Paralympics. Sports for athletes with impairment is existed for more than 100 years, and the first sports club for deaf was already in existence in 1888 in Berlin. It was not that much known before World War II, but afterwards it was widely introduced. The purpose of it at that time was to assist the large number of war veterans and civilians who were injured during the wartime. In 1944, at the request of British government, Dr. Ludwig Guttmann started the first spinal injury center at Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Great Britain. And in time, rehabilitation sports evolved to recreational sports and then to competitive sports. On 29 July 1948, on the opening ceremony of the London 1948 Olympic Games, Dr. Guttmann organized the first competition for wheelchair athletes, which was named as Stoke Mandeville Games, a milestone in Paralympic history. They included 16 injured servicemen and women who took part in archery. In 1952, Dutch ex-servicemen joined the movement and International Stoke Mandeville Games were founded. India made the maiden appearance at Paralympics in 1968 in Tel Aviv, Israel. A total of 10 athletes were sent for the game as a part of Indian delegation, which included 8 men and 2 women. India, however, returned home without any medal, but it was the first real experience for all Indian para-athletes at a very big stage. 4 years later, at 1972 Heidelberg Games in Germany, India bagged their first medal in Paralympics. Para-swimmer Murlikant Petkar set a world record of 37.331 seconds for a gold medal in 50 meters of para in the 50 meters of freestyle swimming. It was the only medal won by India at that game, which helped them to finish their 24th spot in overall medal tally out of 42 participating nations. India did not participate in the 1976 and 1980 games. The 1984 Summer Paralympics was held at two separate locations. The first one was in Stoke Mandeville in UK and the second one was in Mitchell Athletic Complex and Hofstra University in New York. The Indian delegation clinched 4 medals, their highest from the competition, to finish at a joint position with South Korea. Incidentally, it was individual brilliance from Jogendra Singh Bedi that helped the country to finish at 37th position with South Korea. Bedi won a silver from men's shot put and then clinched pair of bronze medal from discus and javelin throw, while Bhimrao Kesarkar added the fourth medal for India with silver in javelin. The Indian candidates struggled to find a podium spot from 1988 to 2000. But later after in 2004 Games of Athens, India clinched 2 medals to finish at 53rd spot. In 2004, Devendra Jhajaria won a gold from men's javelin, while Rajendra Singh won a bronze for powerlifting of 56 kg category. 4 years later, in Beijing, India drew a blank. In 2012, India won a silver in London, thanks to H.N. Girisha, who won a silver in men's high jump. But India put a very strong show at 2016 Rio Games to match their highest medal haul of 4. Mariyappan Thangavelu and Devendra Jhajaria won gold from each men's high jump and javelin throw respectively, while Deepa Malik brought home a silver from shot put and Varun Singh Bhati won a bronze from high jump. As for the Paralympics 2020, India finished their campaign at Tokyo Paralympics 2020 with all-time high of 19 medals, which included 5 gold, 8 silvers and 6 bronze. It was the best medal tally for India in a single edition of Paralympic Games. India was placed at 24th position out of 162 participating nations. At first, the medal count of India was 0, and in recent Paralympics it was 19. We wish all our Paralympic heroes a huge luck for more success. By expressing my gratitude to all my Paralympic heroes, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind.